Hi everyone, I am Dr. Gurmeen. Today I would like to share about performing the critic of a journal or appraising a particular journal. This is a very important stage or process for a researcher or for a master or PhD student, especially when conducting literature search, whether it is for your research or whether it is for writing your thesis or whether in writing your paper. It is something necessary. Okay, what is literature journal? What is a journal critic about? Actually, you need to identify what is the particular research question in this paper, whether the particular research question is significant, and whether it is relevant to your work, to what extent it is relevant, and what is the method, identifying what is the methodology used, whether this methodology is clinically or technically sound, is it valid, the particular sampling method used correct, and whether there is a proper sampling size determination done in carrying out this research, and whether the particular location of the research is relevant, and you're looking into the validity of the research, whether this research is valid. Are there any potential bias or any limitations which have been accounted for when conducting this research? And then looking out for what are the statistical methods used in this paper. Are the methods clearly defined? Are the statistical work appropriate for this kind of particular study, this particular kind of research? Are the results or the finding clearly discussed? And whether this author is comparing or conducting a proper literature search. Is the researcher doing a thorough comparison or detailed discussion about its findings, about the findings of this research? And is there any conflict of interest? Whether internal validity and external validity has been looked into. All these are relevant things, the basic things, why and how uh, a journal is appraised. Okay, in my case, I have a master's in medical science in public health, and in during my masters, there is one full module on conducting a literature research, a literature journal critic of a journal. There is a module on this, and we have a few lectures and some practical sections on actually appraising and presenting critics of the journal. This is part of the research needs of a master's in public health. And ever since my master's, I have been involved in conducting consultancy and guidance to other master students, other healthcare staffs, and medical students, medical doctors who are performing critic of a journal. When they select a journal and they perform the critic, they need to present it. So I have been guiding them very thoroughly, guiding some students very thoroughly, and I received some good feedback on this. As a detail focused person, I can assure that I'm able to guide you well. So do contact me if you need guidance in conducting the critic of a journal or appraising a journal. Thank you so much.